Individualized learning from the very start. With teaching strategies all new infant and toddler entry screener and ongoing guided assessment tools. Teachers can partner with parents to answer a series of questions, identifying what skills a child is developing. The answers generate an individualized child plan with recommended developmentally appropriate experiences associated with each skill the child is working on now. Teachers can easily capture observations from these experiences through a series of short assessment prompts. Their responses generate new individualized experience recommendations, so teachers will know exactly what to focus on next. Nurture every child's unique journey, every day, with solutions that deliver transformative ease of use. Discover new connected solutions from Teaching Strategies.